Yo, so my name is Divinity Roxx, and I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to do something really special in this moment. I want to talk about the pentatonic scale as it relates to songs. So I just released a song called Just When You Think, featuring the legendary Alphabet Rockers and Bahamadia, the legendary queen of hip-hop, Bahamadia. The song and the video is gonna premiere on my Divi Roxx Kids channel. This was part of my Ready, Set, Go album, part of the Divi Roxx Kids project that I've been working on. And I want to talk about the song before I share the video with you, because the song uses the pentatonic scale, minor pentatonic scale. Now I'll talk really quickly about what the pentatonic scale is. The pentatonic scale is a 5-note scale based off of a 7-note scale. The 7-note scale we're going to deal with, let's just talk about C major. That's the key we're going to talk about, okay? So let's say we're in C major. We play the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, right? Those are the 7 notes. And then C, again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Those are the 7 notes off of the C major scale. We always end it with a little octave C. 7-note scale. Now, in order to get the pentatonic scale, we take 2 scale degrees away. We take scale degree 4 and scale degree 7. Now, I call these scale degrees because these degrees or numbers, or what the degrees are, they correspond to the notes in the C major scale. So the way we figure out what they are is we just think about C as being scale degree 1, D scale degree 2, E scale degree 3, and so on and so forth. So if we take away the 4th and the 7th, what scale degrees are those? Those are F and B. Makes you want to go to that C, doesn't it? Anyway, we take those 2 notes away and we have the major pentatonic scale. The notes in that scale are C, D, E, G, A. Wow, just 5 notes. Or we can even go back up to that C. Right? Listen to the difference between that 5-note pentatonic scale and the 7-note scale, major scale. You hear the difference? 7-note scale, 5 notes. Ooh, very cool. So each one of these scales also has a relative minor. And basically the relative minor consists of the exact same notes, we just play them in a different order. We usually start on the 6th scale degree in order to get the natural minor. So if we were in the key of C, the 6th scale degree would be A. So we would start on A and we would play the exact same notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A to play the natural minor. But to play the pentatonic, we also play the exact same notes, except we take away the 4 and the 7, and we play A, C, D, E, G. Those are the 5 notes. A, C, D, E, G, A. Ooh. Hey. That's the thing I love about playing scales. Just by playing the scales, you can come up with a cool groove. And that's kind of what I did with Just When You Think. So let's get to Just When You Think. Same notes in the A minor pentatonic scale. It's just played in a different pattern using 2 through 10. Oh, if you're a Victor Wooten fan, you know what that means. Using 2 through 10. And we create a completely different bass line. Kind of sounds like just when you think that it's time to quit. Just when you think that it's time to quit. Just when you think that it's time to give up and quit. Just when you think that it's time to give up and quit. Yeah, so this is the verse. We're just going back and forth from G to A. Oh, do that little C in there. Hey. So those are all the notes in the song Just When You Think. So I'm just going back and forth between this descending line, doing some descending, ascending for one note, descending again, and I created this really cool rhythm that corresponds with the lyrics just when you think that it's time to quit. Hey, so I want you right now. So if you can, I want you to go over to my Divi Roxx Kids channel and see the premiere of the Just When You Think video and song featuring Bahamadia, the queen of hip hop, and the Alphabet Rockers. Legendary. Yo, Divi Roxx Kids. Subscribe to Divi Roxx Kids right now when you go over there. Check it out. It's a great video. All right, I'll see you next time. Maybe we'll talk about another one of the songs. We'll break it down on the bass. All right, peace.
Keep making space and time for the next wave. Stay ready for the confetti parade. For the brave.